Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Hotmail account. It only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, open your browser, search for Outlook login on Google, and select the first search result, right? Then over here, this is going to be the main website and the web homepage. Click on create a free account instead of signing in. Enter your desired username, then use the drop down to select alt hotmail.com, right? Click next and create a strong, unique password. Fill in your first and last name, country, date of birth, and any other information they need from you. Microsoft may also ask you to complete a quick security check or CAPTCHA. And after you've successfully done that, that's it. Your Hotmail account is ready. You can now send and receive emails right away. I hope you found this video very helpful.